Hi there, today we are going to create this Bristle Effect in Adobe Illustrator very easily. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Illustrator. Turn off the stroke, right click on the rectangle tool and select ellipse tool. Draw a circle and apply gradient. You can choose any color you like for the gradient. If you want to give it a gradient color like mine, then select the color point on the left side of the gradient and set the hexadecimal color code to E3EF26 in the color panel. Then select the color point on the right side of the gradient and set the hexadecimal color code to 076653 in the color panel. Select the gradient tool, hold shift and apply the gradient from top to bottom of the circle. Make another copy of the circle. The copied circle must be placed vertically like this and make the circle below smaller. Then select the both circle and press Ctrl-Alt-B. This can be done in another way. For that you have to go to Object panel. Inside Blend, select Make. Alt-Ctrl-B or Ctrl-Alt-B is the shortcut for this. Again go to the Object panel. Inside Blend, this time select Blend option. Another easy way to do this is to double click on the blend tool. Here, select the spacing to specify steps and set the values to 200. Hit OK and move the circle to the left. Switch fill to the stroke and draw a path like this. Select both with the selection tool and go to the Object panel. Inside Blend, select Refresh Spine. Now go to the Effect panel. Inside Distort and Transform, select Roughen. Here set the detail value to 100, size value to 35, hit OK. Our effect is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. Resize the design and make a background. Set the hexadecimal code to 2F4A48 in the color panel. Now select the design and go to the Effect panel. Inside Stylize, select Drop Shadow. Here, set the X offset value to 0, Y offset value to 0, and blur value to 5 and hit OK. The drop shadow makes the design look more beautiful. So that's it. If you face any problems while creating the design, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.